Welcome back to Immigration Insight. The Skilled Migration Program for Western Australia in Australia is currently accepting applications for the year 2024. While numerous other states and territories have disclosed their nomination allocations, they have yet to accept applications. A state-nominated migration program is available in Western Australia with the objective of attracting highly skilled individuals from around the globe. This guide will assist you in securing your position in one of the most thrilling regions of Australia.
Due to widespread skill needs, priority will be given to individuals working in the following industries: healthcare and social services, building and construction, education, hospitality. Prospective immigrants with jobs in these priority categories should apply as soon as possible, as their chances of being nominated are very high. Candidates must have a skilled occupation listed on the Western Australia Skilled Migration Occupations List and a valid skills evaluation for their qualified vocation.
Available visa options. The Western Australia State Nominated Migration Program offers two subclasses of visas. Skilled Nominated Subclass 190 Visa. This visa permits permanent residency and employment in Australia. Skilled Work Regional Subclass 491 Visa. This visa allows living, working, and studying in a specific geographical area of Australia for up to 5 years, with the possibility of applying for permanent residence after 3 years.
English language requirements. The English language proficiency requirements are established by the Department of Home Affairs. IELTS, Pearson Test of English, Cambridge English, C1 Advanced, Occupational English Test, and TOEFL IBT will be accepted as examinations. Competent English proficiency is the minimum requirement for nomination under the 2024 program.
Application process. To apply for the Western Australia State Nominated Migration Program, follow these steps. Submit an expression of interest EI. Use Skills Select to submit an EOI for a state nomination, including details such as age, English proficiency, points received, and skill evaluation. EOIs are prioritized based on occupation and location, with Western Australian candidates given first priority.
Wait for an invitation. Monthly invitations for the Western Australia State nomination are anticipated. Depending on the volume of applications being evaluated, the number of invitations may fluctuate. Western Australia will furnish a hyperlink to the state nomination application form upon receipt of an invitation.
Apply for state nomination. In order to qualify for specific skilled migration visas, you must be nominated by an Australian state or territory. Acknowledge your intention to work, reside, and settle in Western Australia and submit your application within 28 days.
Obtain your nomination and submit your visa application. Western Australia will nominate you in Skill Select if your state nomination application is approved. Afterward, you will receive an invitation from Home Affairs to submit an application for the visa you desire. Your visa application must be submitted via your IMI account within 60 days of the invitation date.
That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching Immigration Insight.